Everyone wants to start a business, but the smartest ones? They start small, scale fast, and solve real problems people face every day. In this video, we're breaking down 7 powerful machines that transform basic materials into high-demand products, all from a garage-sized setup. Real market demand, clear numbers, and low startup risk back each one. We'll cover exactly how they work, how much they cost, and how much profit you can realistically expect, plus links to find them yourself. No hype, no fluff, just practical machines that build real businesses. Let's get started. Number 1, cold oil press machine. Let's start with a machine that literally prints liquid gold. This compact cold oil press is designed to extract oil from sesame, soybean, cottonseed, and more without using heat or chemicals. That means you get high quality cold pressed oil that's healthier, richer in flavor, and sells for a premium. This model handles anywhere from 1 to 10 tons per day. Plug it in, feed in the seeds, and it presses out pure oil while separating the leftover seed cake, which can be resold as animal feed. Machine cost is between $1,600 and $2,200. Sesame seeds cost about $1.50 to $2 per kilo and yield roughly 300 to 400 milliliters of oil per kilo. That oil sells for $6 to $12 per liter depending on market. Cold pressed oils are booming right now, especially among health conscious consumers. With smart branding and good packaging, this machine can turn a basic ingredient into a premium retail product. Number 2, foam tray making machine. This machine is your entry into the trillion-dollar food packaging industry. It heats EPS foam sheets and molds them into disposable trays used for meat, produce, baked goods, and more. Up to 50,000 trays per day. With a starting cost of around $8,000, the material cost comes in at just 3 cents per tray. You can sell them for 20 cents each, generating $10,000 in revenue daily. Subtract materials and you're looking at $8,500 daily profit. The operation is semi-automatic and only needs one person to swap molds and pack the finished trays. It pays for itself in just a few weeks and opens the door to consistent bulk orders from grocery stores, butcher shops, and farmers markets. Local delivery and short turnaround times make you a strong competitor against big factories. Tip 1. Offer biodegradable tray options to attract eco-conscious clients at higher prices. Tip 2. Add basic logo stamping for a 15% price bump with no extra machinery. Number 3. Paper bag making machine. The global push for eco-friendly packaging has created a booming market, and this machine puts you right in the middle of it. For around $12,000, this semi-automatic unit transforms craft paper rolls into fully printed, glued, and folded paper bags. Up to $30,000 per day. It handles cutting, folding, bottom sealing, and even flexo printing in one smooth process. You're producing branded bags right from your garage. Material costs, paper, glue, ink, come to about 6 cents per bag, totaling $1,800 daily. Wholesale pricing ranges from 30 to 40 cents per bag. If you sell at 40 cents, that's $12,000 in daily revenue. Subtract costs and you're left with $10,200 daily profit. The entire setup is manageable by one operator. They just load the paper rolls, swap out design plates for printing, and pack finished bags. Local shops, farmers markets, cafes, and online brands are looking for small batch orders with fast turnaround. This is where you win against big packaging factories. Eco-conscious branding gives you a pricing edge, and custom designs open up premium niches like weddings, corporate events, and seasonal retail packaging. Tip 1. Offer low MOQs, minimum order quantities, with custom branding to attract boutique clients. Tip 2. Collaborate with local printers or artists to create limited edition bag runs. Clients will pay 20 to 30% more for exclusivity. Number 4. A 4 paper making machine. Most people think the paper business is dead, but this machine proves otherwise. For around $20,000, you get a fully automatic system that converts pulp, either recycled or virgin, 1 to 4,000 A4 sheets per hour. Over an 8-hour shift, that's 32,000 sheets a day. Material costs sit at roughly 2.5 cents per sheet, totaling around $800 daily, but those same sheets wholesale for 15 cents each, bringing in $4,800 in daily revenue. After subtracting costs, you're left with $4,000 $4,000 profit per day, or about $100,000 per month if you run it just 25 days. Only one technician is needed to run the line. They feed pulp, monitor settings, and stack finish sheets. That's it. This machine fits into a garage bay and operates on standard electrical supply. Schools, offices, and print shops are your core market, and demand is constant. What makes this machine stand out is its eco upside. Offer a recycled paper line and charge 15 to 20% more. Sustainability sells. Boutique stationery shops and design studios also pay premium rates for textured or colored variants, which this machine can produce with minor adjustments. Locking in a steady order with a local print shop that needs 100,000 sheets a month could mean guaranteed monthly income. Tip 1. Launch a recycled paper brand with custom packaging. Branding can double your price point. Tip 2. Target institutions with bulk monthly needs. Schools and copy centers never stop printing. Number 5. Sauce Sache Packing Machine. Sauce packets are everywhere, from fast food joints to airline meals, and this machine lets you produce thousands of them right from your workspace. For about $4,000, this automatic multi-lane sachet packing machine fills and seals up to 20,000 individual sauce packets per day. It runs 4 lanes at once with minimal labor. You load your liquid sauce into the top hopper, set the fill volume, typically 10 to 20 milliliters, and the machine cuts, seals, and stacks the packets, all hands-free. Raw material cost per packet is about 2 cents for the film pouch and 10 cents for the sauce, totaling 12 cents each. Sell them wholesale at 25 cents, and that's $5,000 daily revenue. After subtracting $2,400 in costs, you're left with $2,600 profit per day, or $65,000 per month on a 25-day run. The machine is compact, requires 1 operator, and works well even in a small facility. It's perfect for vendors who want to offer private label sauces or expand into food service supplies. Customers include meal kit companies, food trucks, fast casual restaurants, and vending machine operators, all looking for single-serve convenience. Custom branding and mixed flavor packs allow you to charge even more per packet. Tip 1. Start with in-demand flavors like hot sauce, garlic mayo, or BBQ. They sell fastest. Tip 2. Bundle sauces by cuisine type, for example Mexican Asian, to offer value packs to gourmet retailers and online shops. Number 6. Adhesive tape production line. Most people don't realize how profitable tape can be until they start producing it. With a $15,000 investment, this compact line unwinds BOPP film, applies adhesive, dries it, slits it to width, and rewinds it into ready-to-ship rolls, all in one flow. It can produce up to 40,000 rolls per day. Material cost per roll. Film and glue is around 15 cents, meaning $6,000 daily input. The same rolls wholesale for $1.25 each, generating $50,000 daily revenue. After subtracting materials, that's $44,000 profit every single day. Only 1 technician is needed to monitor the line, refill adhesives, and manage output. No clean room or special facility required. It fits inside a medium-sized garage. E-commerce sellers, packaging companies, event planners, and construction supply outlets all rely on tape, and many want custom branding. That's where this machine becomes even more powerful. You can run private label batches with logos or messaging printed directly onto the tape and charge up to 40% more. Demand is massive and repeat customers are standard. Margins stay high because tape is lightweight, easy to store, and quick to ship. Tip 1. Offer small batch custom logo tape for online sellers. Etsy, Shopify, and eBay brands love unique packaging. Tip 2. Partner with event planners and wedding suppliers to sell personalized tape for decor or gifting, a creative niche with premium pricing. Number 7. Wooden cutlery molding machine. Plastic utensils are on their way out, and wooden cutlery is taking over. For around $4,000, this automatic molding machine lets you create eco-friendly forks, spoons, and knives from steamed birchwood or poplar sticks. It's compact, low maintenance, and fits neatly inside a garage or small workshop. The machine steams the wooden blanks, presses them into molds, and dries the utensils, delivering 3,000 pieces per hour. That's 24,000 units daily across across a standard 8-hour shift. Material cost is around 2 cents per piece for wood and 1 cent for packaging. That's 3 cents total. Wholesale prices land at 8 to 12 cents per unit. Selling at 8 cents, your daily revenue hits $1,920. After subtracting $720 in material costs, you walk away with $1,200 profit per day, or $30,000 per month. You only need one operator to load wood, monitor the system, and pack the finished cutlery. No complex logistics, no heavy labor. Restaurants, cafes, caterers, airlines, and wedding vendors all want compostable utensils. Offer mixed cutlery packs, branded packaging, or event-specific designs to charge more. As government bans on single-use plastic increase, the demand for sustainable alternatives is only going up. This machine puts you ahead of that curve. Tip 1. Sell custom-printed sets to eco-conscious brands or event planners for a 30 to 50% markup. Tip 2. Use biodegradable wrap packaging and promote your kits as 100% zero waste to increase retail shelf appeal. If you found value in this video, hit like and subscribe for more real business breakdowns. Drop a comment. Which machine would you start with? And remember, small machines, smart ideas, big results.